will need to place screenshots and answers to questions in this evidence document. So task 2, you're going to edit a report for Tawara Digital Books. The company uses a corporate house style for all their documents. Paragraph style must be created and applied as instructed. Okay, so this is very important. All right. 1. Open the file N21 reading. The paper setup is the page setup. The page setup is set to A4 portrait orientation with 2 centimeter margins. Do not make any changes to this setting. So that means this has been done already, so you don't have to make any changes. Okay, so let us quickly open that document and readings. Okay, there you are. All right, so let's quickly open that up and see what it looks like. All right, so we have that, and then it told us that the page, let's look at it again, that it's already set to A4 portrait with 2 centimeter margins. So we can should we confirm that? Okay, let's go to the paragraph where I'm gonna see that again. Layout. Okay, page setup. Okay, let's quickly confirm that. Okay, is there 2 cm, 2 cm, 2 cm, 2 cm, side, paper, portrait, paper size, A4. So we've confirmed that. Very true. They did that already. All right. Save the document in your work area in the format of the software you are using with the file name ebooks. So this simply means we are definitely changing the file format for the file format for the document reading. Okay, so I'm going to go to reading, and then I'll do file and then save as. Okay, file and save as, and put it in the folder where others are kept in my work area. So you choose your work area. Very important. Okay, save it as ebooks. Ebooks, is that not correct? Ebooks. Excuse me. Ebooks in the format of the software you're using with the file name ebooks. That's all. Okay. Ebooks. Okay, that'll be it. All right, and then change this to Word document. That is what they refer to the file format of the application you're using. All right, so I'm using Microsoft Word, so I'm going to save this, and then I'll say okay. All right, so your document will be upgraded to the newest file format because I moved from RTF to Word document. All right, so that is already opened. All right, let's look at other. Okay, evidence 1. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this file has been saved. Make sure there is evidence of the file type. Okay, so we need to go to the folder where this is kept because they need evidence to show that this file has been saved. So I'll just maximize this quickly. In some years they would require to see the file type and all that. Okay, yep. Of course, definitely they will need to see that here also. So I could just maximize this a bit, extend this a bit, sorry, so that at least they can see that the file I saved is in Microsoft Word format. All right. And also date is also important. Sometimes they use the date as a means of a forensic study to know when the papers were taken. So I think it's important for you to always set the time of your device. Okay, very important. All right, where are we now? Okay, where I take the screenshot. So I use the sniping tool. Okay, I use the sniping tool. So I'm going to use the sniping tool to take the evidence. So go to new. All right, so I'm picking here to there. Okay, so I'll just copy, and then I'll go to the evidence document, and then I'll do paste. Okay, so that's the first evidence. All right. Next, step 2 says place in the header automated page numbers left aligned. Excuse me. All right, place in the header automated page numbers left align, automated dates field type, automated date field to display today's date right align. So page number left align, dates right align. All right, so let's quickly do that. Remember, in the header, so you go to insert, and then you come here, and then you pick the 3 columns. So we'll put the number here, automated page number, and then the date this way. All right. Okay, so like I say, it's important to get the right date. Aha, very important. Okay, so automated page number. So when you click on that, you go to quick path field, you need date. So you click on this and just press D on the keyboard and press D again on the keyboard. You have date. Now they didn't specify what format we should use, so you're free to choose the format you want to choose here. All right, if they had specified, then we would have looked for the right format here. All right, so click on OK. All right. Oh, sorry, the date is supposed to appear right hand. Oh, you see, so you need to be very careful, date on this side, okay, and then page number on this side. All right, so you can still go to quick path again, and then you go to field, just hit the P button, and you're going to have that. So you choose the format again that you want. I want the first format. All right, click OK. So I think we've done that. When you leave there, you look through, you see it's appearing, but there's something there. Can you notice that the second column is still there? All right, I mean the center column. So the field, so we'll just close that. We'll delete it. Sorry, delete. All right, so it's gone. All right, so it's gone. All right, let's go back again. Okay, we've done that. Automated date right, page number left. Place your name, center number, and candidate number right align in the footer. Your name, center number, candidate number right aligned in the footer. So let's go back there. The footer. So still on insert and the footer, and then let's say right align, right? Okay, so we'll pick that, and then we'll do our name. So my name, not our name, my name. All right. Oh, sorry, I didn't know that my caps lock was still on. Okay, my name, center number, I think I used 111. Please remember your center number, remember your candidate number. If you make a mistake here, you won't see your results. Believe me. Yeah, so your school will be told to write reports, tons and tons of reports, and you may not see a result. So please, no mistakes here. Candidate number must remain the same, center number must remain the same. Thank you. All right. So we've done that. Where are we? All right. Place your name, center number, candidate number right aligned in the footer. Make sure that all the alignments match the page margins. No other text or placeholders are included in the header and footer. I think we've handled this part. Okay. All right. Header and footers are displayed on all pages. Okay. Header and footer are displayed on all pages. All right. So all the alignments match the margins. All right. So I think what we did matched. It didn't go out of the margin. This also didn't go out of the margin. All right, what else? No other text or placeholders are included in the header footer. I think we handled that already, where we deleted the center column. Yeah. So they were placeholders. Okay. Now the same thing here too. They were placeholders, so we deleted that. All right. Where are we? Okay. Headers and footers are displayed on all pages. So you go back and check headers and footers on all pages. Headers and footers on all pages. Yes, they are all pages. So scroll down now. All right, step 3. Create and store the following styles, basing each on the default paragraph style. The default paragraph style. Okay, so the default paragraph style here talks about the default style that your application comes with. Okay, that this file came with. All right, so this is what we have. All right, so let's see. Let's see. Okay, 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 okay. Let's get to work. All right. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. All right. So we're going to create this styles quickly. We're going to create this styles quickly. Sorry for that glitch. I was thinking about something else actually. Okay. So we're quickly going to create these styles. Quickly. Okay, so why don't I please let me smile this a little bit so that I can. Okay, alternatively, I just want to be a little fast here. Okay, so I'll just scroll down a little, scroll down a little, and then bring this one over here. Bring this one over here. Bring this one over here. All right. Okay. So we're creating this first subtitle. Okay, subtitle. All right. So we come into to insert. Okay. All right. So from here you can click this way, then you find the styles. So you can choose to do a new style here. Okay, or alternatively you can click this way and do a new style there. All right, so any of them works perfectly. Excuse me. Okay, so that's what we have. All right, so here name, this is where you put the name of the style. Okay, all right, the next one is the sans serif. Okay, sans serif, when we say sans serif, it simply means no stroke. Fonts that don't have stroke, this is the font style. Fonts that don't have stroke, so this is based on the normal. Okay, based on the normal. All right, so fonts that don't have styles. Oh, there's something I didn't remember to point out. Please, I need to close this now. There's something I didn't point out, please. All right, let me maximize this. Please, before you create your styles, please go to the end. Go to the end and hit the end button and hit the enter button. Good. Create all your styles while your fonts are there, because while you're creating your styles, it keep affecting your work, which I personally don't like. However, even if you do that, by the time you're applying the styles, they will likely change. But I don't want to see any part of this work distorted for any reason until I'm told to apply whatever style I want. Good. All right, so let's get to work. Where are we? So I'm going to restore this to this. Okay, so what do we have here? What do we have? Okay, so we're creating the styles. All right, so good. You can create like this. Okay, but I prefer coming down here, and then I will do new style. All right, so I'm pasting that. Sorry, if you're a student, you don't have the luxury of doing this. That is in the real exam. You need to type yourself. Thank you. Type yourself. Okay, so based on normal, which is the default paragraph style. Okay, so sans serif means no stroke. Okay, serif means let there be stroke. All right. So if you choose Calibri, look, Calibri does not have stroke. Can you see no stroke? no stroke. Does Times New Roman have stroke? I don't know. Let's check. Okay, it also has no stroke. No, Times New Roman, excuse me. Little, the weather is a little terrible. Okay, so Times New Roman has stroke. So Times New Roman is a serif style, whereas Calibri is a sans serif style. Okay, so I'll choose Calibri. All right, font size 16. All right, so let's quickly go to font size 16. Go down, go down. I think I made a mistake here. This is covering our work. Okay, not a problem. Not a problem. All right, 16. It should be right aligned. It should be right aligned. Calibri 16 right aligned. So where is right aligned? This is left aligned, center, and right aligned. Okay. Italics. It should be in italics. Enhancement should be in italics. Single line spacing, no space, both before and after. All right. So we come here. Italics. Yep. Single line spacing. This single line spacing, double and all that. Okay. All right. And then you can go to the paragraph, tab format. Sorry, paragraph and no space before and after. Single line spacing, no space before and after. All right. So that would be it. Okay. Any other thing? Nothing else. Okay. So we just click on OK, and we are in business. So DB title is created already. Now notice something here. DB subtitle, sorry, is created. Please notice that they also created one called DB title. I think possibly we may be asked to edit or something, or change it. All right. So the next one is this. Okay, subhead. This is for subheadings. Okay. All right. So I'll come back here. Okay, for subheadings. Okay, so let me take this here so it doesn't disturb us too much. All right, subheading. Okay, subheading. So we're creating a new style. Subheading. Okay, I've copied already. So like I said, if you're a student, you won't have this glossary. Thank you. All right, subheading. Okay, remember they say based on the default. So always check on this and click normal, based on the default. Very important. All right. After that, you have serif style. Remember what we talked about? Serif style, they have stroke. So Times New Roman will be okay as a serif style. All right. This is font size 14. Font size 14. Okay. Center aligned. Center aligned. Okay. What else? Bold and all caps. Should be bold and all caps. Okay. This is bold. Sorry. All caps. You come to format and font. Format and then font. All caps. All right. You click on OK. Any other thing? Where are we? Okay. Single line spacing. 0 space before and 6 spacing after. See? Before and after. Okay, 0 before, 6 after. All right, 0 before, 6 after. So format, paragraph, 0 before, 6 after. Okay, click on OK. Any other thing? Nothing else. So we're done. Okay, click on OK. Okay, the next one, body style. The body style, okay, should be sans serif. That means no stroke. Body style, no stroke. Body style, no stroke. Where are you? Okay, body style, no stroke. New body style, no stroke. Okay, based on default, on the normal. So take note of that. All right. So what else are we doing here? Body style, so sans serif, no stroke. So Calibri will be just okay. All right, sans serif. Okay, we've done that. Font size 10. Font size 10. Okay, there we are. Font size 10. Justified, fully justified. So that means this is the right thing to choose. Fully justified. Okay, and each time you're adding, you're seeing them included here. All right. All right, after that, enhancement, no enhancement of any kind. No bold, no italics, no underline. All right, so I think we're good to go. All right, none, all caps, so including all caps too. So I don't think we added that, so it wouldn't be there. Single line spacing, 0 before and 6 after. So paragraph, single line spacing, that's the 0 before and 6 after, and 6 after, fully justified. Okay, so we do okay. Let's check the all caps to see, but I doubt that. Okay, it's not active, so of course you would see it from here. Yeah, you see it from the previous. All right, so we're done with that again. All right, so we complete. Okay, finally we're talking about the db table. db table. Okay, db table, new style, db table. All right, base normal, please remember that always. All right, serif font style. Serif means stroke, so Times New Roman will be okay. Font size 11, font size 11 will be okay. Left align, okay, there we are. Italics, that's the I, and then single line spacing. Okay, that is it. Single line spacing. 0 before, 0 after. All right, so 0 before, 0 after, so we'll have to do that to check 0 before, 0 after. All right, single line spacing, excuse me, left align. Okay, so click on okay. I think we're done. Okay. All right, so we're done with creating the styles. Okay, they say take a screenshot to show that the style settings have been defined for the DB subhead style. Make sure there is evidence that this is based on the default. Take note of that. Based on the default paragraph style. Okay, place this evidence in your evidence document. So this is evidence 2. Okay, so this is evidence 2. This is evidence 2. All right. All right, guys. I'm sorry. I ran off quickly to look at someone, to check somebody who was at the window. Sorry about that. Okay. What do we have now? All right. Okay. Well, we're taking the evidence, right? Okay. Take a screenshot to show that the style settings have been defined for the subhead style, DB subhead style. Make sure there's evidence that this is based on the default. Okay. So we go back, and then they want evidence for the DB style. Okay, so go to the DB style. Where is it? DB subhead. Yeah, subhead. Right click, you say modify. DB subhead, modify. Okay, now it's important to take 2 screenshots. Okay, this and this. I think it has the all caps, right? It has the all caps, so this is very important. So we'll take this, take that, and also take the other font. Okay, so I'm quickly going to use my sniping tool. I want to change something here. Any need to, not a problem. Let me just continue my usual style. So I'm taking a screenshot of this. Okay, so I'm gonna copy it and paste it in the evidence document. Oh, please, you must click your OK. All right. Okay, let me see if at this point I can't still, so I need to still click my OK here. All right, so at this point I can paste it. Evidence 2. Excuse me. The weather, terrible weather. All right, so now I said that will not just be enough. Okay, when you modify that, remember it was on all caps. So when you take for font, you also when you take for paragraph, you also take for font so that they can see this as well. Yes, very important. All right, so I'll go to new, and then I'm picking up this. Okay, copy. All right, when I copy that, I'll just go to evidence document. Oh, sorry, you need to also click here. Okay, take out this window, very important. All right, so, and I'll paste it here. All right, so we're business. You can reduce the size if you want to. What the heck? All right, and you need to. All right. At least it saved us some space. But while you're reducing, make sure what you have is very readable, not too tiny for the examiner to look at. All right. Excuse me. Okay. Where are we now? Okay, now the style named DB title has already been created. We saw that earlier, right? Stored and applied to the title text. All right, modify the DB title style so only the following formatting is applied. Okay, so the DB style, the DB title style, we need to edit that style. DB title style, we need to edit that style. Okay, DB title, where are you? There you are. All right, so we modify the DB title. Okay, so what do they want us to do? What do they want us to do? Sorry, my boy is crying. My son Brave is crying. All right, so sorry, I'm sorry if you hear his voice. All right, okay. Sans serif, that means sans serif means no stroke. So we're picking the calibri style. Okay. Font size 32, 32, 32, 32, 32, not there. So you type it yourself. If you can't find it, you type it yourself. All right, type it yourself. And then center align, center align, center align. Then, all right, bold and underline, bold and underline, not bold and italics, bold and underline. Take note of that, please. All right, single line spacing. Okay, single line and 0 before and 6 after. Paragraph 0 before, 6 after. Single line spacing, 0 before, center line. Okay, like that. Any other changes we need to make? None. Okay, so we can click on OK. I think we may need to put evidence. Yeah, sure. Take a screenshot of the style settings for the DB style to show that these have been changed. Okay, so we go to DB style. Yep, I'm there now. So we modify. Is that not DB title? Okay, it is. So we modify. Go to modify and then paragraph setting so we can take our evidence. Okay, however, there was something I tried doing here. I wanted to change the the way I do the sniping. I want it to be a rectangle stuff. Sorry, I'm doing this now. Show selection ink, show screen overlay when sniping tool is active, prompt to save, include, always copy snap to the clipboard, hide, instruction to. This is not what I'm looking for. Okay. Can I remember where it is? Oh god. All right. No need. Later on we'll consider it some other time. Okay. Some other time. All right. Why am I too stubborn to let go? Okay. Now I'm the let go. Oh, maybe in subsequent video I'll have to explain that. All right. So I need a new snipe. Okay, I'm going to do a new snipe, and then I'm picking this up. Okay, I think I found what I was looking for. I think so. Aha, there it is. I want to snap the window. Okay, so I'm snapping this window. Copy, Yeah, I found what I was looking for. Okay, please. Okay, okay, and then part of this evidence. Okay, I think it's evidence 4. We can reduce the size as well. Okay, okay. What do we have here? So let's go back again. Okay. So we're also taking uh all right, sorry. My little boy is around, it's distracting me. Sorry about that. So we're not done with the evidence here. We also need to take the evidence of so this is modify, yeah. Okay, so we took the evidence of the paragraph, and then we need to take the evidence of this window as well. Okay, so why did I choose to use the rectangle, the window style, so that it will be neater for me? Okay.